Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to fix Samsung Galaxy S25 that's extremely laggy. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.